when you're typing in things to the search bar and the results come up, Amazon is showing what they think you want to start. As soon as you start digging deeper into that, they're going to continuously throw things at you. So that's why you're going to see those results numbers climb, because then they're going to try to give you as much as they can to satisfy what you're looking for so that you buy something. So when we're teaching, hey, the results have to be under 5,000 or find your results that you want to work with, the first number that comes up, that's the number we are concerned with, because that's the number that they associate with what you typed in. Now, as far as merchant words and other tools that show traffic, those tools don't have the information. Amazon doesn't give that information out, so they are doing an equation to guess. So why scope is different than merchant words, different than Google. Even though Google doesn't say a number, they just give a weird 1 to 100, which is kind of weird. But any of those tools, they don't have actual data. They're just trying their best to guess at what the number is. So I would only concern myself with one of the tools. So if merchant words says a number, I would use that as the measuring stick for other words that I'm going after. So say if you type in cat shirt and it says 100,000 per month, and then you type in cat mom shirt and it says 80,000 per month, I would say, okay, cat shirt is searched more than mom shirt. Not necessarily the difference between those two numbers, just the fact that one is more than the other. I would not be trying to gauge merchant words numbers versus scopes numbers, because that is futile. Yeah, that's a nonsensical game you're playing, because both of them run different equations on the information that they can pull.